Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to build up a muffler, for which I have taken this pipe. So I'm going to turn this into shape, and even for the inside pipe I'm going to use this thing with too much of drills over here, too much holes over here. So that I'm going to do, and this. So let's just start building up and bring this in shape first. Alright guys, so finally I got this in shape. So it is not exactly 100%, I'll admit that, but it's looking somewhat. But this need to be cleaned up and give it the fine finishing that I will do later on. But for now, what I was doing was making a pipe with the hole. So all the markings I have done over here, everything marked. So now it's time for me to go drill the holes. So let's just start up drilling some holes.